Whether you're getting ready to sell your home or just want to elevate your space, today we're going to talk about some easy, affordable ways to give your home that high end designer look. And these tips work for any budget, they're not expensive, and the results can completely transform the feel of your home. I'll add a link at the end of this video with some suggestions and resources to buy some of these things mentioned in this video. So let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most important and often overlooked elements of a luxurious home, and that's lighting. Good lighting can take a space from flat to really wonderful in an instant. Instead of relying on a single overhead light, layer multiple light sources throughout the room. Think table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, accent lighting, uplighting. Accent lighting is a game changer, and it can be over artwork, inside bookshelves, under countertops to highlight some special features. And don't forget about placement. Adding a soft table lamp near the sofa creates a warm, inviting glow that feels welcoming. And that's what you want, a soft glow that makes everybody look good. Next, let's talk about artwork. One of the easiest ways to make your home look more expensive is to carefully curate what goes on your walls. Instead of lots of small family photos or cluttered collages, opt for larger art pieces like paintings or large prints. And I'm not saying groupings of pictures are bad, and if you like gallery walls, try this. Use larger matting around smaller prints and keep the frames sleek and minimal. Also, avoid the common mistake of hanging artwork too high. The sweet spot is to have the center of the piece about 57 inches from the floor. That's the perfect height for most spaces. And here's a design hack that adds some drama and elegance. Incorporate touches of black into your space. A black lamp base, a piece of black framed art, or even a painting, a door painted black can create a beautiful contrast, especially when paired with soft neutral tones like cream or beige. This pairing adds dimension, gives the space a more designed feel. I recently updated my office and I painted the floors black. Everybody thought it was crazy, but it really looks good. Another thing, furniture placement is a key factor that elevates the design. If your furniture is pushed up against the walls, maybe reconsider that if you've got room. Furniture should be pulled out from the walls and arranged to create a cozy space that encourages conversation and improves the traffic flow. And it also makes the room feel more intimate and highlights the central elements like a coffee table or an area rug. A classic setup is a sofa with two chairs positioned around a coffee table. And this creates a space that's more inviting and it adds a designer look. And another way to make your home feel more expensive is by mixing styles, combining contemporary pieces with a few antiques, or some special vintage finds that you have. That kind of thing adds character, makes your space look unique to you. It's that balance of old and new that gives your home personality, makes it look thoughtfully designed rather than straight out of a catalog. Next, window treatments. And this is a great way to elevate a room that's not too expensive. Always hang your drapes as high as possible, right below the ceiling or crown molding, to make the room feel taller and grander. Use lightweight, neutral fabrics, and don't skimp on the fabric that you put on that rod. Load the fabric on there. Full flowing drapes instantly make a space feel more expensive. And let's not forget rugs. A large, beautiful area rug grounds the space, makes it feel more cohesive. And here's a pro tip. Make sure the rug is big enough for your furniture to sit on it, or at least have the front legs on it. A small rug can make a room feel a little cramped, but a larger rug pulls everything together. For bedrooms, simplicity is really best. Skip by using busy patterns. Instead, use light, solid colors with layered textures. White bedding with a duvet cover always looks clean and elegant. And here's a bonus tip. Invest in a handheld steamer to keep your linens and drapes wrinkle-free. It's a small effort and it makes a big difference. Next, architectural details. If you've been home shopping, you've probably noticed that more expensive homes have things like crown molding, chair rails, wide baseboards. Adding those elements are some of the most impactful upgrades you can make. It's more of an investment, but these elements add instant character and a polished, expensive look to your home. And that's going to pay off when you're ready to sell. And then finally, wrapping up, here's something subtle, it's powerful, and that's scent. A clean, fresh scent. Maybe just a hint of floral immediately creates a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. It's one of those details people may not notice consciously, but it makes a lasting impression. And those are the suggestions I have for you today. These are my favorite ways to give your home an expensive designer look without spending a fortune. I'm Jana. I'm a realtor in the Eastern Panhandle. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe, share it with a friend. If you like, I can email you a list of resources where to find some of the things I talked about. And here's a link to request that. It's meetmeinthepanhandle.com/designer touches. Okay, thanks. I will see you next time. Have a great day.